If you've had more than a 60-second conversation with me, you know that I love to learn why things work. And when someone asks me for advice, it's equally important to me to share with them why a particular recommendation will work. A few weeks ago, a journalist asked me for my top 5 productivity tips for the workplace in under 200 words. And that's a pretty tall order, not because of the advice needed, but the word limit. But I gave it a shot. Here are my top 5 productivity tips for the workplace. Number 1, before checking email in the morning, be sure to identify the top 3 tasks you absolutely must complete for the day. Number 2, strive to get those prime tasks completed as early in the day as possible before those fires crop up. 3, add 10-minute buffers to your calendar immediately after any meetings that get scheduled before anybody can assign you to a back-to-back. This way you have time to debrief your notes and make sure you get items added to your task management system or calendar. Tip 4, keep a digital or paper document near you in your workspace to capture those random thoughts that tend to creep into your head. This will prevent you from chasing them down that proverbial rabbit hole as they occur. And tip 5, at the end of each day, distribute those random thought notes to wherever they need to go. Your task management system, your calendar, your client file, and so on. When you implement these top 5 tips, you will be far more productive.